Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share how to start your own digital marketing agency. In this fast-paced digital world, businesses need a strong online presence, and that's where we come in. We'll discuss key strategies, tools, and skills to help you build and grow a successful agency, providing value to clients and unlocking endless opportunities. Let's get started. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you launch your agency successfully. 1. Develop your skills and knowledge. Before launching a digital marketing agency, it's crucial to have a solid foundation in the core areas of digital marketing. SEO, learn how to optimize websites for search engines. PPC, get familiar with Google Ads, Facebook ads, etc. Content marketing, understand content creation, curation, and distribution. Social media marketing, learn the intricacies of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. Email marketing, understand the best practices for effective campaigns. Analytics and data tracking, master tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, etc. 2. Define your niche. Specializing in a particular industry or type of service will help you stand out. Focus on a niche such as e-commerce businesses, local businesses, real estate, finance or healthcare, social media management, or paid ads only. Choosing a niche allows you to streamline your marketing and build expertise faster. 3. Register your business and legal setup. Business structure. Choose between structures like a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation depending on liability protection and tax flexibility. Name and branding. Choose a business name that reflects your services and brand values. Secure domain names and social handles. Licensing. Get any required licenses or permits depending on your location. Banking. Set up a business bank account and ensure financial separation from personal finances. 4. Build a website. Your website is your online portfolio and the primary way potential clients will find you. Make sure it is optimized for conversions. Showcases your services, case studies, testimonials, and experience. Includes a blog to demonstrate your expertise. Has a booking system or contact form for lead generation. Is optimized for SEO to rank on search engines. 5. Develop a portfolio. Start by offering services to friends, family, or local businesses at discounted rates to build case studies. You could also create mock projects that demonstrate your expertise. Offer free services to nonprofits or in exchange for testimonials. Your portfolio should include metrics, visual examples, client testimonials, and case studies. 6. Create service packages. Determine the digital marketing services you'll offer and package them accordingly. This could include SEO services, social media management, content creation, paid advertising, email marketing. You can offer tiered packages to appeal to businesses of different sizes and budgets. 7. Set pricing. Pricing can be challenging, especially when you're new. Consider hourly rates, retainer-based pricing, project-based pricing. Start with competitive pricing, but as your experience grows, adjust accordingly. 8. Invest in tools and software. You'll need digital marketing tools to help run campaigns and provide insights for your clients. Some key tools include SEO tools, social media management, analytics tools, email marketing, project management. 9. Market your agency. To attract clients, you need to market your own business. Content marketing. Write blog posts, create videos, or podcasts about marketing trends and tips. SEO. Optimize your site to rank for terms like digital marketing agency or SEO services. Social media. Showcase your expertise on LinkedIn, Instagram, and other relevant platforms. Networking. Attend local business events, virtual conferences, and trade shows to connect with potential clients. Cold outreach. Reach out to local businesses or potential leads via email, social media, or calls offering solutions to their marketing problems. 10. build client relationships. Delivering excellent customer service will help you retain clients and build a strong reputation. Focus on regular communication. Keep clients updated with reports and progress. Results-driven campaigns. Show how your efforts are impacting their bottom line. Transparency. Be clear about timelines, costs, and potential outcomes. Happy clients are your best referral source. 11. Scale your business. As your agency grows, consider hiring a team. Start by outsourcing or hiring freelancers and eventually build an in-house team of marketers, designers, and developers. Specializing. You can niche further, focusing on particular platforms or industries. Expanding services. Add complementary services like web development or video production. 12. Keep learning and adapting. Digital marketing is always evolving. Keep up with trends, new platforms, and updates to stay ahead of the curve. Consider attending marketing webinars, conferences, and workshops, networking with other professionals and agencies, experimenting with new tools and techniques. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared to start and grow a successful digital marketing agency.